about it, if the people is working here, of course, they're working here every day. But when? Only during the dry season, guys. Why? Because the source of the water is a natural spring of water, but in this case, salty water. Salty water coming from the mountains. This salty water, guys, will be, or the pools that we see, every single pool will be filled with this salty water. Fill up with salty water, and then by evaporation, by solar action, the water is gone, and the crystals of salt are gonna stay there. And that's why the best season to stock the salt is from April to October. April to October, 6 months a year. The visit here, 45 minutes to 50 minutes, okay? Entonces vamos a subir. Empezamos por el lado izquierdo, the left side, guys, okay? We have to follow, we have to surround and look at the old winter trail, and then the way down is over there, okay? Stairs down. Entonces todos vamos a empezar a subir. ¿Alguien quiere quedarse acá? ¿Alguien no?
¿No subir?
Espera acá entonces.
Knees don't fail me now.
No promises.
It's crazy how much of these like ruins, these little they have all around the friggin' country, man. It's like one was like taken from the other one, you know? Ah, yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I'm tired. I live at 8,000 feet, but this just kicked my ass a while ago. But look at this though. It's real nice. Damn. What happened?
It's a way she went underwear that makes her ass look so fucking old.
Ah, so they don't know. You see? Oh, nice.
Or he assumes.
Bro, that's crazy. But that's like a good like 10? Yeah, that's 10. A good 10.
Maybe more.
Even yeah, that's more because
Yeah, it's
yeah, that's about 10.
10, 11, yeah.
Yeah.
It's actually accurate.
Yeah. It's crazy.
Guys, probably the Incas here use these terraces to plant the Peruvian national flower, like the can. Look at that down there, the red flower. The red and the yellow, they are the cantu, the Peruvian flower. Okay? And the place was not for agriculture. Probably like a garden.
I wish I could go over there.
The access to this Intihuatana, or Temple of the Sun, was through this door. Look at the doorway here.
Oh.
Double door. Can you see the double door? It's not a simple door, right? It's a double door. What's the meaning of this? What symbolized? That was the access to another world,
Another dimension.
to the divinities, to the God's world. That was the access to another kind of world. In this case, to the Temple of the Sun. Okay? The Incas had a rock quarry away of this point, or the rock quarry was up here. The answer is over there, guys, up there, 7 kilometers away. above 4,000 meters. That is the rock quarry, guys. So the Incas transport, they have moved stones.
Presencia de pumas.
So first, ¿quién quiere que le ayude con la fotografía?
I had to get the llamas. They're so cool. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. My battery's about to die and we're about to get on the bus. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Just like.